Who's ready to do 35 more?
I'm ready to be done with the 35, yeah. Chelsea, what's going on today?
Today we are going to work on some roof joists because we have one up.
One up.
The test run.
A proof of capability, that's what I call it, because it's like, are we gonna be able to put this up without any heavy equipment? So originally I imagined that we were gonna rent like some forklifts, or what they call it, some high lifts and high reaches. I used to use them all the time in the Air Force. I was always the guy on the ground because I'm not a big fan of heights. I don't know if you know this about me, but I don't care about heights. When it's all said and done.
The one's up there?
Yeah. So we got 37 to go, or 37 total, 36 to go.
Yep.
Yeah. But
so we gotta work.
Yeah. We'll at least we want to try to get them all done. The goal is to get them all up by tomorrow. We got Lauren's help too. Very, very helpful. And
so Brian was up there this week putting on, what do you call the braces?
Oh yeah, I did do some prep work. Yeah, put on they're called variable pitch connectors, I believe. So it's basically it's variable because you might have a different pitch for your roof, you know, 12-12 or something. We have like closer to like between 4-12 and 3-12, and if you aren't familiar with that, it's like basically for every like 3 inches or feet, however you want to say, 3 feet, it's going one way, it goes up like 12.
So let's do it. 4
cut there.
Yeah.
1's prepared to be cut, and then Chelsea and Lauren will mark the rest, and then I'll cut it. It is 9:22. I would love to be done by 3.
We'll see what happens.
At least cutting.
Definitely done cutting. Oh my gosh, if it takes us 6 hours to cut everything. Ow, you stabbed me with a pencil.
Oh, sorry, I sharpened it. It's nice and sharp, sorry, baby.
It's okay. Yeah, this surprised me more than anything.
It's better now.
Oh, all better.
Yep.
Let's go!
Yeah.
What are you guys barking
about? Shut your yap.
So it somehow took us less time than we thought to cut all the joists, which is exciting. Let's see how everyone's feeling.
A lot better than we planned.
For the first time ever.
I'm sure that when we put it up there, we're gonna see a lot of like not straight lines. I'm not sweating it, but when we first started today, actually yesterday, we're like, if we can get them all cut today, that'd be cool. And then we started working, like, hey, we might actually finish this before 3. And then we started really working, we're like, oh, let's finish before lunch. And now it's, what was it, 11:20?
Yeah.
Is whenever I sat down, and yeah, and we're done cutting. So we're gonna start installing in a little bit. And then we're gonna have lunch. Then we'll continue if it doesn't get too windy, because it gets creepy up there, like I said earlier.
If the weather holds, we will prevail.
We shall prevail.
Lauren and Forrest matching on the ground. Oh, the pepperoni. Ew. Oh, that cloud definitely got bigger.
Yeah. Seeing more clouds in the sky.
Oh, they still probably won't even come this way though. No. All right, where's your ladder?
Oh yeah.
And you're right, you're pointy. Yep.
On the wrong side.
I put it on that. Sometimes I put it on, yeah, on there. Get a hard hat for sure.
Got it, Lauren. Oh, no. A little further. Okay.
Yep.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it to the right. Push. Yep. So the camera got too hot, but we finished getting it up on this side, so we did a thing. And Brian did it. And we finally have shade, just in time for lunch. Thanks, Cloud. Yeah, it wobbled a lot when it was windy. That was not good. Who's ready to do 35 more?
I'm ready to be done with the 35, yeah.
Yeah.
And we gotta do bracing in between. It's okay, it's a lot. It's a lot to it. It's a lot to building a house.
There is. Yeah. Well, naturally we took a break for lunch and it's now windy. Looking like some rain. Wouldn't expect anything less.
No.
No, it's not. Good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I won't eat hot dogs for lunch. Had to be on dog.
Those can't be sitting well.
No. Hey, there's a roof!
There's the start of a roof.
Start of a roof. It's not gonna block anything. It started to rain. We're gonna finish putting this up. And then I think we're just gonna call it because we're only a few boards away from our goal and no one wants to work in the rain. Unsafe.
All right. Noise.
Still pretty good.
Yeah.
We wanted to get to there today, but you know, it's windy.
Yeah, and if we worked into the evening, we could have finished it all probably.
Yeah, but no reason for that. We got tomorrow.
Yeah. It'd be nice if they were braced too, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. All right, we're gonna go hunker down. Good morning, friends. We're tired. Brian and I are tired. Lauren's probably not tired. We're tired. There was a lot of work yesterday. Sundays, we've recently, since Lauren got here really, started a new tradition called Yak Sunday. You may have seen it on our Instagram. If you follow it, it stands for Yoga and Croissants Sunday. So usually Saturdays we work really hard. We wake up on Sunday. We are sore, we are tight, we are exhausted. And this is a good way to ease into the day. You know, it means our day starts a little later when it's time to build, but we're usually in a good mood. So that we'd show you a little bit of what we do before we get started on building. A little yoga action, some croissant, chewing. Fine. Yak Sunday. Yak. Just gonna put some joists on the roof.
Put some joists in there, that's the plan today. We gotta wrap it up. We're gonna leave we'll probably have 2 left when we're done today. But we might put those 2 up. Basically I gotta put some bracing on those, but no big deal. Yeah, but I'm already tired thinking about it, I'm not gonna lie. We don't film every single thing that we do. I mean, that's just like monotonous, it's craziness. You might see, I don't know, 1 day of a whole week or 2 days or whatever, but we really don't even take days off. So there's always something. I think I'm about due for a physical day off. We'll just say that. But there's no real day off. There's always something, some sort of errand you got to do just to keep this place running. Going into town, it's like, oh, it's not time out. That's not real work. But like, yeah, no, there's work that comes with it. So. Anyways, it's exhausting, but it's fun because it's like we're doing it ourselves, you know. I'm not complaining, just saying. Just saying.
It's very interesting.
4 or 5 days in a row, man.
It makes me want to get like.
Too short.
Too short, Conan. Conan, you're too small to look out the window. Oh, Forest is big enough. You go up there, Conan. Oh, Conan's just barely big enough. All right, is this ladder position work for you, Chelsea?
All right, it's 11:02.
Oh God, your big ol' head. Yeah, that's fine. I knock his head. Sorry, I gotta find my flow from yesterday. Chelsea, ready? Ready. Not let it slide. There we go.
That was like 6 minutes.
That's nice. Getting there. We now have more up than we need to put up. This is very exciting. I just need to lay down for a while though. Back is hurting, I'm old. Ugh. Only got like 10 left. How are you feeling?
My shoulder's killing me. But it's nice to see that we did more than half that we planned to do today.
While we are here, waiting for Brian to prep things, now's an excellent time to remind you all that we have a Patreon. You can join it and support us and help us get a better camera, because our camera's falling. Probably realistically like 20-30 times. Support us. Link is down below. Alright, we have like 8 left.
8 left.
8 left, but honestly I'm dragging, so I'm calling lunch. It's like, I can't see my watch. I think it's like 1:20 or something. So, thought we would get it done before we stopped for lunch, but that's okay. Still a pretty good pace. We're being tired today, so yeah, we're gonna go eat some lunch. come back, fueled, knock it out, knock 8 out in an hour. Probably an hour and a half.
Averaging about 6 to 8 minutes each one, sometimes even faster. So probably knock it out a little over an hour, around an hour or less.
Eh.
A little more, around an hour.
Around an hour.
A little less, or an hour, or a little more. So around...
What is time?
What is time?
Break time's over, children. 8 more to go. Apparently I'm aggressive after lunch. Brings me joy. Pile's getting smaller. All right, here we go, last 2. Okay, you're not gonna break anything. You're safe. Ha ha! Ha ha! We only have 2 left. You finally figured it out. Yeah. So we did finish before 3 o'clock, which was our goal, and honestly, it was good timing because although it's unlikely that rain will hit us, the wind is picking up and it just might. I mean, there's a lot of rain. Look at all that. Just another day that ends in Y. It's windy outside.
I think it'll be all right. I'm not sweating it. I'm sweating because it's hot.
It's definitely sweaty.
68 degrees out here. So if all those haters out there are like, oh, it's too cold in Colorado, we're freaking sweating right now. It's 68, so it's nice. I'd rather be sweating here at 68 than Florida at 10 whatever.
Any day.
Humid.
Any day of the week.
It could be 80 out there and miserable. And it'll be like December. So
yep.
Yeah, I'm over it. That's why we're here.